Creating a custom email signature is a great way to make your emails stand out and leave a lasting impression. Today, I'll show you how to create one step by step. Let's get started. First, go to canva.com, log into your Canva account, or create a new one if you don't have one. Click on the Create a Design button. Select Custom Size. Set the dimensions to 512 by 512 pixels. Click Create New Design. Navigate to the Upload tab. Click Upload Files. Select your image and click Open. Wait for the image to upload. Go to the Elements tab. Search for Frame in the search bar. Select Circle Frame. Resize and move the frame as needed to fit your design. Now drag and drop your image inside the circle. Double-click on your image and drag the image up or down to position it correctly within the circle. Click Done. Click on the Share button at the top right corner of the Canva editor. Click on the Download button. Check the transparent background option. Click Download to save your image. Select a location and rename your image. Click Save. Click the first link in the description. You will be redirected to this Docs page. Click on File. Select Make a Copy. Click Make a Copy. Click on the image and delete the image. Click Insert, select Image. Click Upload from Computer. Select your image and click Open. Click on the image. Click on the three-dot menu. Click Size and Rotation. Type 1.5. Close it. Drag the image to its position. Select the name and press backspace to delete it. Enter your name. Select the title and press backspace to delete it. Enter your title. Remove the email and enter your email. Remove the website and enter your website URL. Now press Ctrl+A to select all, and press Ctrl+C to copy. Open your Gmail. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner of the page. Select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Signature section. Click on the Create New button. Enter a name for your signature and click Create. In the Signature box, press Ctrl+V to paste, or right-click your mouse and select Paste. Select a social icon and click on the link icon. Enter your social handle and click OK. Repeat the process for all social icons. Scroll down and select your created signature as the signature default. Scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Click Compose to start a new email. As you can see, your created signature appears correctly. And this is how it looks in Outlook. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.